Wine costs are also going up for the same reason everything else is increasing in price. Supply chain issues are forcing national and local wineries to adjust costs. New at 6:30 tonight. Rania Kaur tells us exactly how much we could be paying for our favorite bottle of wine.
Cork, labels, foils, supply chain issues and labor shortages are forcing winemakers to pay more.
We were being charged $200 a ton in order to hand pick grapes for our higher end wines. That cost is now anywhere from $300 to $400 a ton depending on the vineyards.
A global glass shortage is either forcing winemakers to change their signature look or find alternatives.
Our reserve rosé, it is flint or clear, and it's a burgundy bottle. They're just not producing that at all this year, so we're going to have to completely switch to a different type of bottle for that.
Normally Arborcrest buys the glass bottles as they go, but as you can see right behind their 2018 Dionysus, they have a huge stockpile that they won't even need until May.
It's nice to have that, but trying to find other glass right now is very difficult. And one particular bottle, I had to pay almost 40% more just to get it. So, but I need glass to put my wine into.
Christina Van Lobensels is the owner of Arborcrest Wine Cellars. She says everything is inevitably going to drive up the cost.
We're probably going to see maybe a 10%, 20% increase on some wines. Just depends, like the bottle that I had to pay 40% more on. You know.
It's the second time Maryhill Winery has had to increase prices.
We ended up going up in price in August of last year, and we're anticipating sometime between May and June we'll have to increase prices again just to keep up.
Craig is expecting it to be industry-wide.
Retail bottles are going to go up between $2 and $3 a bottle on wines that are normally retailing between $10 and $15. For more expensive wines, say over $20 or $25, it could be as much as $5 a bottle.
In Spokane, Rania Kaur, 4 News Now.